the access extremity with skin, flexing agent, and then drive. Number 3, you place the pin barrier under the extremity. So given this is already after your assessment, diba? Access mo ba na hindi, after pa tayo. Okay, sige, you place first the barrier.
Kaya ng barrier?
Ayan, the under pipe. Okay. And prior to also making a grooving with the stethoscope, clean the diaphragm of the stethoscope first with an alcohol swab. Ayan. And then, perform inspection, auscultation, and palpation of the entire length of access. So, given as ang iyang access, okay, ang iyang access is nasa 4R. Okay, if groovy or pain is not present, or if signs and symptoms of infection are present, do not cannulate. So, notify the licensed nurse or your senior nurse of access
okay.
So, in cases na you have to notify the surgeon, the access surgeon. Okay, number 6, using your clean glove hands, determine the direction of access flow by gentle manual compression at the midpoint of the access. If unable to ensure or flow direction, do not cannulate. So you have to determine kung asa ang placement of your arterial and your venous. So dapat makababa. So usually ang venous, pasok sa patient, or away. Paano? Your venous, going to the heart. Kasi yung ano siyang dialysis, venous going to the heart. Okay, ang importante is you have to determine the site. And then next, locate our rubbing motion, center out. Circular motion. So that is your 70% alcohol pack. Alcohol. 1 gram. 1. And then, with your clean glove hands, cleanse the site by applying povidone iodine. Using a circular rubbing motion for 1 minute. Moving from the center out, allowing to dry for 2 to 3 minutes. So again, ang iodine, ang best niya na efficient siya is pag-dry siya. Okay. 2 to 3 minutes. Center out. Still. Okay. Number 10, for patients who have an allergy to povidone iodine or other germicidal agents necessitating alcohol alone, apply alcohol using a circular rubbing motion center out for 1 minute immediately prior to cannulation. So that's the only difference. You have to ask the patient na, ma'am, sir, allergic pa ka sa iodine or sa betadine? If yes, discard mo mga iodine. You have to use the alcohol alone. And then, circular motion pa rin. But, you have to wet through the area and then you cannulate. Okay, number 11, repeat for second. So, repeat na for second insertion site.